Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and today I am making a Southern grits casserole. Yeah, this is so good, guys. It's sinful. It is just so delicious. All right, I've got all my ingredients out here on my counter. I'm going to go over them with you as I make it, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below. So let's get started, guys, because it's time to get cooking. All right, into a large sauce pot, I'm going to add 3 cups of chicken broth, and I'm going to bring this up to a boil. All right, once it starts to boil, add 1 cup of quick cooking grits. You want to cook these for about 5 minutes, just until they start to thicken. All right, so they have thickened, so now I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon each of minced onion, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. And then I'm going to add 1/2 stick of butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then I have 4 pieces of bacon that I have fried and crumbled. All right, then you'll need 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Now I had cheddar cheese slices in my refrigerator. I was afraid that I wasn't going to use them before they went bad, so I'm just breaking up some of these pieces of cheddar cheese and adding it to my grits. Listen, guys, you got to use what you got. So you want to stir this until that cream cheese and the cheddar cheese is completely melted. I'm also going to add just a pinch of salt. So make sure you taste it to see if it's needed. All right, then I have 2 eggs here, and I'm just going to kind of add some of these grits to my eggs because I want to temper these eggs. I don't want to scramble them in my hot grits. So I'm just kind of tempering them a little bit. All right, that should be good. Now I'm just pouring them all in to my grits. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my grits into my skillet here, but I'm just going to spray it with some nonstick spray. And I want to tell you guys that I actually cut this recipe in half. The full recipe uses a whole 9x13 baking dish, and I knew that that was just too much for us. So I've cut it in half, and I'm putting it into an iron skillet. All right, and then I have 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese that I'm going to sprinkle over top. And then bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Just look at this. Southern grits casserole. Yeah. Oh my goodness, guys. You gotta check it out. Look at this. Well, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.